Alright, let's unbox the Samsonite CubeLite Prime. Look, just open. Take away these. Right, there we go. Nice. Looks very stylish. Spins really good also. Super light. Okay, let's open this baby up. Alright, as you can see, you've got a cover on the right side and on the left side, which is really nice because sometimes it only comes with a cover on the one side and you get all the clothes just open here. So when you open up your luggage in the hotel room, you got the clothes all over the place. Looks really nice. Done a good job. And also you have this. It's great. So you got both. The other thing is, I don't know if you can see it, but this looks kind of cheap. That's the only thing. Like, it's really well done. Like, looks really sturdy, but this piece used to be metal and now it's like a piece of textile. All right. Well, let's continue. Let's have a look. So we open this up. Nice. It comes with some sort of, I don't know. Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, so this is, I guess, for a suit. Nice. Bag for my suit. And also, as you can see here, we got one pocket where you can actually put wet clothes. It's pretty nice. So in case you go swimming or something, you can still put your swimming suit there, like wet clothes. And you got like on the pocket warranty. Okay, that's nice. Right guys, this was the Cube Prime. So if you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. Till next time.